Hello there in TV land, it's Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday morning. Terrific Tuesday? Stuffed up Tuesday? I don't know. I'm still sick, but I'm trying to be a productive member of at least the Culinary Society. Yesterday and last night I prepared vegetable beef soup, which somebody in a comment made kind of said that was an oxymoron, vegetable beef. I laughed at it. Okay. The soup was good. The soup was really, really good. I'm not going to use the word depth or complex. It was vegetable beef soup. It had great flavor. It really did. It was a simple soup. I will get the recipe up this morning. It was very good. We have plenty of it. That's what we're having tonight. So I'm not cooking today or tonight. But tomorrow, kind of give you a highlight what's going to happen. Tomorrow's menu, another new dishes actually. Pan-seared cod in white wine tomato basil sauce. Sounds yummy. Caramelized onion and potato bake. Hence all the russet potatoes I have over there. Yeah. And I'm going to be doing the Casual Chef corn saute. Something about potatoes and corn. Yum! So I'll get into all that tomorrow. But that's the kind of the highlight. That's what I kind of have planned. As long as I continue to take the Dayquil to keep my head clear. Yeah. So today, after I get all this done, I'm going to be working on something for the Young People's Cooking Series and beginners. What I like to call MPM. What does MPM stand for? You'll have to follow the link or go to YouTube and watch it when it's ready. It'll be a quick video. When you hear what MPM means, you'll get it. But hopefully you'll understand the reasoning, which I'm sure you will, understand the reasoning behind MPM. It's nothing new. It's not a new concept. But when you hear it together, it will. I show you this almost every day. Yes. But I'm actually going to put words behind my method. So on this Tuesday, which looks like beautiful sunshine out there, it's going to be mid-60s here in Sutter County, and good parts of Northern California. But we got rain coming. So on this Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.